keep my hands to myself, no matter how hard I'm trying to.
Hello everyone, I'm Erika and I've been obsessing over the Selena / Puma shoot. I've seen it on Facebook and I couldn't stop staring at it for days because I found Selena looks amazing. The whole editing, the pictorial, everything just looked so nice. We all want to look like Selena. We all want to be Selena. So if you guys want to see how I did this Selena / Puma inspired look, just keep watching. To start off this look, we're going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Blend it out with our fingers. We're going to be using this to set our concealer from the palette as the crease shade. We are gonna extend it because yung look is like medyo pa cat eye, so we're gonna do that. And we can just clean it up later. Put that in the outer V. And slightly also in the center. After that, let's go into a darker shade. Beside that one here. Focusing it more on the outward part and not really bringing it in. And let's go a little bit deeper and get darker chocolate. Dark chocolate there. I like this brush kasi pa-slant siya. Like, ayan. So it's very easy to make the cat eye like this. Like that. Further define the outer V. Get a bit brighter in the inner corner. Let's put the same color with this one. Liner on the outer V. And then we'll smudge it. So now we're just gonna clean the under eyes to make it sharper. So for my face makeup, I'm going to be concealing using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. To set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Sri Chand translucent Sri Chand. Is that how you pronounce it? I got this from Thailand. Okay, to bronze up the face, I'm gonna be using the ColourPop. So we move on to the blush. I've been super obsessed with the Tarte Blush Bazaar palette. Mixing these two. Using the same palette and just get this gold one as a highlight. Sorry, my under eyes are kind of dry, so that's the patch there. Finish off the eyes, I'm gonna be using the same colors I used in my Morphe palette. Even Selena's lower eyelash is like kind of darker there. let's use Lash Paradise. For lash line, I'm gonna be using the Innisfree tiny brush. The lips, I'm gonna be mixing two colors. It's the Clay Crush by Maybelline and the Lippy Sticks in Aquarius. To finish everything off, I'm gonna use the Hello Gorgeous makeup setting spray. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you recreate this Selena slash Puma look, because you know we all love Selena. So thank you guys. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye!